everyone, it's Connie Pridgeon. Guess what I got? And did it come FedEx? No, it came United States Post Office. In an unmarked truck by some man knocking at the door, telling me to sign for this package, and it was my HCG from PharmacyEscrow.com. Not FedEx. Didn't come with a tracking number. Came United States Post Office. So, would I recommend them? No. Poor customer service. Paid extra for FedEx, so people don't do it. Don't pay extra for the FedEx. It's still going to take 3 weeks. And it's no guarantee it's going to come FedEx. And they blame the volcanic ash, but they swore up and down that the FedEx number had a package attached to it. But it never did, because clearly it came USPS. And some man that worked for a United States Post Office came to my door in an unmarked truck. Pretty scary. Package was all banged up, but it, brown label, and, well, here's my HCG. I'm excited to finally have it and put the past behind me. I have the product. I have to get the right mindset to eat and take this medication. I have celiac disease, so this cheating 2 days is going to be an obstacle for me, because I can't eat ice cream, pizza, and all that stuff. I'm lactose intolerant and gluten intolerant and sensitive stomach. So, but anyways, I had a wellness visit today. I'm 124 pounds. My goal is to lose 14 pounds, and I have a very slow metabolism. Other than that, I'm in great health with the celiac disease. I just got to eat and stay on the right foods. So I don't eat breads, pasta, pizza, ice cream, none of that stuff, no protein shakes. So the pig out days will be difficult because I can't really pig out. But I will do the best I can. But the rest of the weeks, the 43-day cycle that I'm going to do should be a breeze. Except for breakfast and nighttime. Those are the times I think I'm going to have a hard time. But hopefully this will curb my appetite. I am excited. No more negativity. But again, I wouldn't recommend PharmacyEscrow.com. I'd recommend another pharmacy or doing more research, because I went by the rave reviews and I was disappointed. Disappointed in how you can only write back and forth. You don't get a person to talk to, and they misspoke. So now, well, at least I can drop my case with the charge card company and just let this go, learn from this, and pray about this, get the right mindset, ready, set, go. So my plan is to eat a lot the next 2 days and then start eating according to the protocol. Except I won't have Melba toast, I'll just eat more fruit. But, okay folks, here we go. Thanks, bye.